Casefold is a string method that allows you to convert a string to a case-insensitive format. Lowered cased versus case-insensitive is a rabbit hole of distinction to jump down, so I'll simplify it for you here. For your normal A through Z and capital A through Z, there's no difference. Letters outside of this range may have differing results. Bottom line, if you're outside of the A through Z and the capital A through Z world, test out the dot lower method and then the dot casefold method and use the method that produced the output you want for your specific use case. The string lower method in Python returns a copy of the string converted to lowercase. Let's set up some quick code to see how lower works. We will have a string S called hello with the first letter capitalized. If we call lower, we will see that lower returns the string hello in all lowercase. The other example you're probably wondering about is what happens in the case of strings where the case is not applicable, like numbers and symbols. So we will change S to hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, space, exclamation point. If we call lower here, we will see that lower does nothing and just returns back the original string. In the case where case if a character is not applicable, or if the character is already lowercase, lower does not modify the character. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.